Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the session so comping works cleanly. Create an audio track or a track stack and enable cycle recording. This records multiple takes automatically. Once done, arm the track and set input monitoring. Adjust gain so peaks don't clip, because clean levels make comping decisions easier. Make sure punch-in and count-in are set if you need precise starts. Record a few full takes with musical intent. You want usable phrases, not noise, to assemble later. Once you have multiple takes, open the take folder to view them stacked. You'll audition each take by soloing or looping short sections. Listen for timing, tone, and intonation. Use the marquee tool to isolate the best phrase, then either quick swipe comp to draw the preferred regions or convert lanes to track alternatives for non-destructive edits. Make small fades and trim overlaps to avoid clicks, because seamless joins preserve performance feel. Keep comparing full passes to ensure musical continuity. You finish by committing the comp when the arrangement feels cohesive. Flatten the take folder or bounce in place to create a single audio file. This simplifies mixing. Then apply flex time for small timing fixes and pitch correction where needed, and add micro fades to eliminate artifacts. If an edit sounds unnatural, make sure to revert to the original takes or re-record just that section. Sometimes performance is faster than surgical repair. One tip: if phasing occurs,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.